Your liver is dumping sugar while you sleep. Your beta cells are drowning in oxidative stress, and your insulin receptors? Starving for minerals. Magnesium deficiency locks your insulin receptors. Chromium deficiency breaks the docking mechanism. Your vegetables aren't food, they're repair tools. Your liver is choking on fat. It keeps making new glucose even when your blood is already flooded. The factory won't shut down. But what if the grocery aisle was the repair bay? 7 vegetables, 7 metabolic switches, from liver shutdown to beta cell shielding. This is the complete protocol, every mechanism, every bite inside your body. Chapter 1, the liver shutdown. Broccoli, not just fiber. Inside the florets is sulforaphane, a sulfur compound that hacks your liver's glucose production line. Sulforaphane enters your liver. It docks onto the gluconeogenesis enzyme, the machine that makes new sugar, and hits the off switch. Your liver stops manufacturing glucose from thin air. The factory calms. Liver fat begins to shrink. Fasting blood sugar drops. But broccoli also loads chromium, the mineral that unlocks your insulin receptor. Without chromium, insulin knocks on a rusted door. With chromium restored, insulin docks. The channel opens. Glucose enters the cell. Your blood clears without extra insulin pumped. Lightly steam it. The sulforaphane survives. Boil it to death and you kill the compound that saves your liver. Same dinner plate, with or without broccoli. Your liver knows the difference. Chapter 2, the mineral armor. Spinach, dark green magnesium armor. Studies link magnesium deficiency directly to insulin resistance. Magnesium activates the insulin receptor tyrosine kinase, the ignition switch that tells the cell to open for glucose. No magnesium, no ignition. Spinach also delivers iron, folate, and antioxidants. They form a shield around your pancreatic beta cells, deflecting oxidative stress. When oxidative stress drops, your beta cells stop panicking. They produce insulin on schedule, not in desperate bursts. Just 1 cup. That's all it takes to flood your system with beta cell bodyguards. Same body, different mineral load. The armor is in the leaves. Chapter 3, the A1C cutter. Kale, the most nutrient-dense food on Earth per calorie. But for diabetics, the weapon is alpha lipoic acid. Alpha lipoic acid attacks glycation, the process that sticks sugar to your red blood cells and raises A1C. It breaks the chains. It doesn't stop at blood sugar. ALA repairs nerve function, the tingling, the numbness, the diabetic neuropathy. It rebuilds the myelin sheath. Per calorie, nothing else comes close. You're not just eating fiber, you're eating concentrated repair. Saute it. Steam it. Don't boil the medicine out of it. Same body, different nutrient density. The A1C cutter is in the crinkles. Chapter 4, the hydration hack. Cucumber, 4 grams of carbs, 96% water. This isn't a vegetable, it's a hydration delivery system. When you're dehydrated, your blood thickens. Glucose becomes more concentrated per drop. Cucumber floods your plasma with pure water. Hydration pushes your kidneys to filter excess glucose more efficiently. The flush is real. Perfect anytime snack. Crunch without the carb bomb, your meter stays flat. Same crunch, different chemistry, water wins. Chapter 5, the pasta killer. Zucchini, low glycemic, high fiber, loaded with vitamin C and potassium. But the real hack? It kills pasta. The fiber in zucchini forms a web in your gut. Glucose enters your blood like a gentle hill, not a mountain. Vitamin C fights oxidative stress while you eat. Potassium regulates blood pressure that often spikes with diabetes. Same twirl, same sauce, same bite, different blood sugar. The noodle is now a vegetable. The pasta killer doesn't fight fair, and your pancreas loves it. Chapter 6, the morphing vegetable. Cauliflower, the morphing vegetable. Rice, mash, pizza crust. But the real power? Choline. Choline ignites your liver's fat metabolism pathway. It breaks down the fat that's choking your glucose regulation. When liver fat drops, your gluconeogenesis factory stops overproducing. The liver becomes a glucose regulator again, not a glucose factory. Rice, mash, crust, 3 weapons, 1 vegetable. Your blood sugar doesn't know the difference. Your body does. Same comfort food, different metabolic outcome. The morph is the mission. Chapter 7, the roasted reset. Brussels sprouts. Alpha-lipoic acid and fiber, the 1-2 punch for fasting glucose and insulin sensitivity. Roast them at high heat. The natural sweetness activates. No added sugar, no guilt, just caramelized medicine. The fiber slows absorption. The ALA cuts A1C. Together, your morning fasting reading drops. Insulin sensitivity improves. The receptor that was rusty now glows green. The same insulin works harder. Same morning, different vegetable. The roasted reset changes everything. 7 vegetables, not all at once. Rotate them. Broccoli for liver, spinach for minerals, kale for A1C, cucumber for hydration, zucchini for pasta nights, cauliflower for comfort food, Brussels sprouts for morning resets. Liver shutdown, mineral armor, A1C cutting, hydration, pasta killing, morphing comfort, roasted reset, 7 switches, 1 body. Pills manage, vegetables rebuild. The produce aisle is the repair bay. Get the full protocol at bootdiabetics.com. Download the free 7 vegetables quick reference. Link in description. 7 vegetables, 1 protocol. Your move.